Y'all see the cursor moving? Huh? What y'all see? Y'all see the cursor? Huh? Look at them. Can't even get on the computer and look at Kai without them going crazy over something. First it's the remote control. Now it's the cursor on the screen. They gonna try to catch that. So cute. Do it fast, see what happens. Look at him. He gonna raise his little foot up like he about to do something to somebody. These cats, they don't never get sleepy. Bring it down. Oh my Lord. They're chasing the cursor. Get him, get him. Bring it down to the right corner. Where they at? Right there. Look at that. He going behind the TV. He's like, forget it. They gonna try to be smart and figure out a way to get it. Let me put this little paw on there. Oh, there you go. You got it? You got it? Do it again. Put it in front of them. Yeah. In front of them. It is so cute. Look at them. They got the cursor. Bring it down. Bring it down. Touch it. Touch it. Your turn. Touch the screen. Touch it. Touch the screen. There you go. Now it's your turn. Touch the screen. He's wagging that tail, boy. Can you see the cursor on the palm? Touch it. Touch it. Touch it. There you go. Touch it again. Touch it. Touch it.